Hello, Mr. Cameron. This is Edward, your coworker, and in this video I'm going to go over like the three basic things SEO and marketing goes over in terms of how to rank, and hopefully it helps you in terms of understanding how to rank and start ranking your own website once you do get it up to the top and hopefully stay to the top. So the first thing I want to go over is Google My Business. So with Google My Business, what you want to do is you want to get it, it's completely free. But as soon as you do get My Google Your Business up and going, basically you want to go in and you want to start adding pictures. The more pictures, the better you can do. As you can see, one of your top competitors does a before and after pictures. They'll take pictures of a carpet and what they've cleaned, what they've done. But one thing you also want to do is you want to completely max out your For You page. You want to add keywords, and I will talk about what keywords are. But basically, you want to max out your For You page and add in a keyword or two. But another thing you can actually add when you do get keywords is you can add them to the pictures. So let's say you save the picture, and when you save a picture on your desktop or browser or whatever, actually you can see the file name of it. What you can do is you can put the keyword of, you can put a keyword on that picture. So when you do re-upload it, it will save as a picture. And when Google goes through with its bots, instead of seeing random numbers and letters, it will actually see that keyword and actually help you start ranking. Another thing I want to go over is, well, let's go over backlinks real quick. Or not backlinks, keywords. Keywords is basically when you come in and you basically use something like SEMrush, which is an SEO tool, but you can basically go in and you can see your top or your competitor's top organic keywords. You can basically go in and copy every single one of these keywords and add them to your own website once you do have it up and going. For your own website, what you want to stick to is your main home page should at least have 1,500 words. And with those 1,500 words, you want to add a keyword every 350 words, I believe. And then again, same thing with the pictures. When you go in and add pictures, you want to add keywords behind those pictures. And another thing you can do with your web page, once you do have it up and going, is a thing we call backlinks. Now, backlinks basically is the juice to what helps rank a web page. You can do along with SEMrush is go into backlink analytics. Well, you can go into backlink analytics and it'll actually show you the backlinks of what your main web page is. And you can basically go after every single one of those backlinks and start pushing that towards your own web page. Basically, the key rule is to go after your top 3 competitors. So you'll go in, you take a look at who's the top 3 competitors for, carpet cleaning, and once you do that, you basically go after every single one of those backlinks and actually start ranking a little better. Another thing I totally forgot to mention is the thing that actually helps rank Google My Business up and further than most, because you can have people who will have like 20 something pictures, or as you can see, like 6.8K reviews and probably more pictures, but what gets them to the top is citations. When we go in and take a look at one of your top competitors, they only have 12 citations, which is easily beatable. All you have to do is get like 20 citations. Citations is basically your location, business name, and I believe your number put in that directory like MapQuest or a comma or Yext, anything like that basically will help you start ranking a little better on Google My Business. And then again, if you do this over time, you combine all 3 aspects of SEO and you start combining it. You could do a lot more on top of it, but just these 3 basic fundamentals will help your business kind of be out there and to pop up for people when they do start searching stuff. That way, when people do search this stuff up, you'll be the top person that Google recommends because they see that you're active. But hopefully this video helps. If anything, if you do have any questions, you know where I'll be at. But other than that, you have a good one. Thank you.